Hi, this is Mrs. Newkirk, and I want to tell you about a game called 24. In this game, you use all operations to try to get to a target number. Here's one of the game cards that you'll be using. Each game card has a dot to represent the number of points. This is a 1-point game card. It also has 2 wheels and a target number. Your goal is to figure out which wheel has numbers that will help you make the target number. Also at the bottom is the answer. To find the answer to this problem, though, you have to turn it over. Any number of players can play. Count off 12 to 24 cards from the deck. You might want to use the ones that have 1 dot. The 1-point cards is an easy start. And as you get more experienced, you can put other cards in that have 2 dots and 3 dots. Put all the cards at the center of the table because all the players are going to be playing at the same time, competing for the top card. For this card, the target number is 9. Notice I know it's a 9 because it has a red dot, which distinguishes it from a 6. When I look at this card, I know the wheel on the left equals 9, because 99 divided by 11 equals 9. If I need to check my answer, I turn my card over to the back. If you notice at the bottom of the card, I can find my equation. 99 divided by 11 equals 9. If I had that correct, then I get to keep the card. If I didn't have it correct, I would probably just return the card back to the bottom of the pile. For this next card, the target number is 6. Well, when I find the answer, I would touch the card and I would say that the wheel on the right is the answer because 15 minus 9 equals 6. When I'm ready to check, I turn the card over to show my other people playing. If you look at the bottom, 15 minus 9 equals 6. I was correct, so I get to keep the card. For this next card, notice it's a 2-dot card, which means it's a little bit harder than the 1 dot. I notice the wheel on the left will help me get to my target number because 17 minus 1 equals 16, and then 16 divided by 2 equals 8. I used all the numbers to reach the target. When I flip the card over, I notice that it has the equations I just stated, so I get to keep that card and it's worth 2 points. In this card, this is one of the 3-point cards because it has 3 dots. All the target numbers for the 3-dot cards are 24. As I look at this card, I'm going to look to the right wheel. And I think that's the answer because 12 divided by 2 is 6 and 6 plus 18 equals 24. Let's check our answer. When I look at the back of the card on the bottom, I notice my answer was there. 12 divided by 2 is 6 and 6 plus 18 is 24. You'll also notice there's another way to solve it as well. But you only need one solution to find the target number. I get to keep that card and it's worth 3 points. Now, every card does have at least one solution, some even have more. But if you can't find a solution, if a card is stumping all the players, that card can be put aside and try it again at the end or put at the bottom of the pile. The winner is the player with the most points after all the cards are claimed, or when you're out of time. Just add up the point values of your cards by adding the dots. The one with the most is the one who wins. I hope you have fun playing this new game of 24.